Hello my friends, welcome again. In this video we are going to work with Laravel route model binding, and inside the Laravel documentation, inside the routing, you have the route model binding, and I have the application up and running here. We worked before, so we have the index method to show all the posts, the create to show the create form, the store to store one new one, the show method to show a post, and if I go here and refresh, we have two posts with ID 3 and 4, and if I go here, refresh again, and go with the 2, we don't have any. If I pass it 3, we have the first title, this is a post show and page, and ID is 3 and title is first title. If I go with ID of 4, with ID of 4 and second title, and if I go to edit, okay, we can edit now, second title, update the post, and here we have, and we can delete if you want. So if I delete one, now we have only one. Then if I go here and refresh, yeah, we have only one. Okay, but if I see here the VS Code highlight another one, we have the same thing here, the same here, the same here, and the same here. So we have a duplicated code, and that is not good in the coding. So to remove this one, here route model binding, you have this ability to add the user model and the user variable, and we get the user by this one. So I'm going to remove this and add the post model and the post variable and save it. And with this, now if I go here and refresh, okay, the first title is with ID of 3, and if I go now to 3, yes, we have, and if I do the same thing, for the edit, remove this one, and in the update method, remove this one, and in destroy method, and remove this one. Okay, if I save, refresh again, now if I go to the 3, edit 3 and edit, yeah, we have this one. But if I want to update now, we have an error on the find variable ID, because in the edit blade, in the form, we put the action route post update and the post ID, so we need to remove this one. We have an error because we don't remove this line of code. If I save, I refresh, yeah, continue, yeah, updated. If I go again and I refresh again, title, update the post, yeah, you have update the post. But and if I go now to the ID of 3, yeah, we have. But imagine maybe you want this not to be the primary key, but the slug, for example. And if I go here, we have the slug with this is a slug copy, and pass it here. We want here to display the post, but for now we have this error. If you go here to the Laravel documentation and scroll down, customizing the key, and we have this code here. Copy this one, go here, and inside the post model, pass it here, save, and now if I go and refresh, yeah, we have the ID, we have the post, and if I go to the edit, yeah, we have the first title. Now that's post and the body, but if I want to update now, up, not found, and this is because in the edit blade inside the form action we give it a post update route and we pass the ID, but now we work with the slug, so we need to put the slug here. If I make it change, refresh again, and now put the update, we updated the post, and the same thing we need to put in the delete form if you want to delete the form. So slug, save, go here, and if I refresh now, first title edit, why refresh now, first now we have first title updated now. Refresh here, just copy this from here for quick access and go to that, and so we have the post. Okay, if I go to edit now, if I delete now, yeah, we deleted. So this is how the route model binding work. We remove all of the code here and here and here, and if you want to change the slug ID, we can change it here and put the ID. Okay, but for the post I think it's more good way to work with the slug. So this is for this video, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.